Welcome to my channel. Today we made a jackpot profit in one particular script named Sun TV. Most of the people are chasing different blue chip scripts like Reliance, SBI, ICC Bank, HDFC Bank, and Adani Ports. Like all familiar scripts, people are chasing and waiting for a breakout. But I always used to look at the odd stocks. Some kind of odd stocks will always give us a massive profit in stock market, particularly in options segment. Today I entered this Sun TV 450 call option at the price of just 5 rupees. Within a span of 10 to 15 minutes, this particular Sun TV 450 call option reached a target of 18 rupees 70 paise. Look at this, a massive growth in within few minutes, rising from 5 rupees to 18 rupees 70 paise. The Sun TV 450 call option made me a triple money profit. I used to call this as triple money profit. Triple money profit is nothing but the investment has to be gets triple time growth, that too with a short span of time. Though I'm always focused on delivery trading, I particularly looked this script Sun TV, that's one of the media stock in South India. I looked at this particular script. I'm waiting for a breakout in the equity level. So I'm not chasing. I just point out the script and just enter the script and catch the profit at the higher level. So this particular script made me, for not only me and for my followers and our Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine subscribers, this Sun TV 450 call option gave a profit of 2.8 lakhs per 10 lots. Imagine such a growth, such a money in the span of 10 to 15 minutes, 2.8 lakhs of rupees per 10 lots within a span of 10 to 15 minutes. If at all you want to make such a massive consistent profit in option trading, either you can join any of the Fortrix correspondence course being conducted by me. I used to give the lessons with the trading tips. One lesson has one trading tips. You cannot find it elsewhere. These trading tips are invented by me out of my own rich 40 years experience in stock market. So each course has 4 tricks, 4 lessons. Each lesson has one trick. The lessons will be given to you one by one by email. Otherwise, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine, in which we used to give a lot of trading tips. All are focused on positional trading in stock option. In a month, we are making our subscriber to make double money profit, triple money profit, and jackpot profit more than 10 to 20 times in a month. Imagine such a massive growth. If a subscriber is capable of using my trading tips given in the Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine, he could have earned 10 to 15 lakhs per month itself. So if the subscriber travels along with me for a period of 1 year, even he can touch 1 crore in a year. So please, if at all you want such a massive growth, either you can join any of the correspondence course for option trading, or join or subscribe to this Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine. I request all the new viewers to subscribe this particular channel and share this particular video in your social media platforms. I am Vijay. Thank you very much.